Lesson 10. The sharp sign and the pause sign. A sharp sign looks a bit like a hashtag. If you see a sharp sign just next to a note, just to the left of a note, it means that it is raised by one step. For example, this note is F, but if you see a sharp sign written just to the left of the note in the music, you wouldn't play this F, you would play this note, which is F sharp. So in the next tune, we have some F sharps. This is Scarborough Fair. The pause sign. The pause sign looks like an eyebrow with a dot under it. If you see a pause sign above a note, it means that you should hold that note for longer. In other words, you pause on that note, and it's up to you to decide how long. We Three Kings of Orient are.